Today's video is about the biotechnology program offered by the German universities for the upcoming summer 2027 intake. Let's get started. Brandenburg University of Technology offers MSc Biotechnology program. This is a numerous clause program, which means the admissions are limited. And the specialization that are available are cell biology, microbiology, and bioanalytics. The eligible background students are biotechnology, bioengineering, biophysics, biochemistry, and molecular biology related. The subject requirement are 70 ECTS in relevant subjects. The most important factors, they do look for 18 weeks of practical lab experience as a part of your application. The ECTS requirement is 210, and the quick facts about this program is a 3-semester module, and it is 373 euros per semester, IELTS 6, TOEFL 79, and the application is routed through UniAssist, and the charges are 75 or 30 euros approximately. The application window is from 1st of December to 15th of January. Technical University of Munich offers you MSc Chemical Biotechnology program. The ECTS requirement is 210, and they do have a VPD requirement. The important fact is, in case if your admissions are directly met, then no issues. If not, you'll be getting on to an aptitude assessment. So the quick facts about this program is, it is a 4-semester module and 4,000 euros per semester, IELTS 7, TOEFL 95. The application is routed through UniAssist for the VPD process, and the charges is 75 or 30 euros approximately. The application window is from 1st of October to 30th of November. Analt University of Applied Sciences offers you MSc Molecular Biotechnology program. The eligible background students would be biotechnology, bioengineering, pharmaceutical engineering, or food technology or molecular biology related graduates. And the GPA requirement is about 2. About 2, you get a direct admission. In case if it is more than 2, they go in for an aptitude assessment. So it is approximately above 80%. So the important requirement with this university is they do have 1 year of postgraduate experience as a requirement. The quick facts is, it is a 3-semester module program, 1,500 euros per semester, IELTS 7, TOEFL 95, and the application is routed through UniAssist, and the charges is 75 or 30 euros approximately, and the application window timeline is 15th September to 15th of January. In my next video, I will meet you up with another department programs, and thank you for watching this video.